Hello, I'm Joseph, one of your teaching assistants for the Summer CS 104 course. In this video, I'll show you how to install Python 3 as well as PyCharm and quickly test them out. First, we'll open a terminal by selecting Launchpad and typing the word terminal. Click on the terminal app and the terminal window will open up. To test if you have Python 3 already installed or to install it if you don't, simply type Python 3 with no space between Python and 3. If Python 3 is not installed, a system dialog to install the command line developers tools will pop up. Follow the prompts to install. This will take some time and has been sped up for this video. After the tools have been installed, go back to the terminal window and type Python 3 again. This time, the Python 3 interpreter will launch and you can type in some code and it will execute. Now we will install PyCharm, a very nice development environment by JetBrains. Go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, click the download button, and download the Community Edition. Once the installer has downloaded, open it and click and drag the icon into the application folder. Now to run PyCharm. Select the Launchpad and either type PyCharm or find it and click it. If you want to import settings, feel free, but the default settings will be fine. And the same goes for the key map scheme. The default settings will work for most, and the setup can be skipped with the lower left button. Before we create a new project, we need to set the default project interpreter. Click on Configure and then on Preferences. On the left, choose Project Interpreter, then click the Project Interpreter drop-down menu and select Show All. On the next window, click the plus sign in the lower left in the window that comes up as the base interpreter. Make sure that Python 3 that you just installed is selected and press OK. Creating the virtual environment can take a minute, but when it is done, make sure that Python 3 is something that is now listed, and click OK, then apply the changes, and click OK again. Now PyCharm is ready to go. Select Create a New Project button, type in a project name over Untitled. Verify that the base interpreter is the Python you just installed or at least a 3x flavor, then press the Create button. It will take a moment for the project to get created, which will be the case with any brand new project. The tip screen will show up every time you open a project with a new tip. I suggest reading at least one every time. There are all kinds of neat tricks this IDE can do. Now let's create a new Python file by clicking on the folder we want the file in and selecting New and then Python file. Give the file a name and press Enter. Then you can put code in the file and run it by right-clicking on the file and selecting Run. The console output will be seen on the bottom. This will also create a run configuration for that file and run it when the green button in the upper right-hand corner is pressed. Different run configurations can be selected with the nearby drop-down menu. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in Slack.